I'm here with Phil Draper, Aberystwyth goalkeeper. You managed to get on today?
Yeah, obviously I hope Mike gets better for next week. Just had a sore groin at the end there. It was good to get a first clean sheet, so I can be happy with that.
You pulled off a good save towards the end. And against TNS, any clean sheet you say is good for you?
Yeah, so I always enjoy playing for Aber. It's lovely to get on, even if it is only for 10 minutes.
So the game-wise, 4-0. First half disappointing, but second half much improved.
Yeah, I'd agree. We started so well, first 5-10 minutes. We thought, yeah, we'll get a result here. And a lapse in concentration, a few mistakes, and they get the first goal. And then it was downhill from there, really. But as you said, the second half, the boys put the shift in, and they ensured that it wasn't any worse.
With the first half, nearly took the lead right at the start, as you say. Was it, this is our game, we can go on to win this?
That was the feeling. We're a confident team at the minute, we're flying high. We thought that we would get a result here, so it is very disappointing.
So you say the second half, we pushed and pushed, put on some more attackers with Steph coming on, but it just wasn't working. Jeff tried a shot, went over, and Jones didn't really have much going.
Yeah, you've got to feel sorry for Joe because he always puts the work in, and today he literally didn't even get a chance to have a shot on goal. Sometimes it's not your day, and today it definitely wasn't ours.
So with TNS, is it just the quality showed being a professional team to a semi-professional team?
Yes, I'm not sure because we usually do compete with them even though they are full-time pros. As I say, I just think it's gone down to the day, and today we didn't perform.
So next week, Aber Town up?
Aber Town, that's a massive game for us obviously because they're 3 points ahead, so hopefully we can close that gap.
So we have a couple of defeats now. Is the pressure on you to get a win, or is it still game by game, we'll just go as it comes?
Still is game by game, but every game we expect a result now.